Yo, what is going on, my bros? Glad to see you back here for another one. I've been really busy lately and I haven't had enough time to shoot this video. So this is gonna be kind of quick and I'm gonna jog through this. But I have super exciting news and you guys are gonna love this. So let's do this real quick.
What we do here is go back.
All right, so as you guys know, I've been getting real close with the build, and I've actually got the engine 100% totally complete here next to me. Transmission is done over there. I've been shooting all this footage, and I am going to be uploading this onto my rebuild series, but I am really close. In fact, I've purchased everything. So I did not get a Mega Squirt. I got a, it's Max ECU, X, there's two X's, Max with two X's, and I got the Street Premium package, and it's gonna do everything that I need. It's going to, well, I'll show you guys later on whenever I do the video on how to hook up the ECU and everything like that, but it's gonna fit perfectly, it's awesome. And then I also got all of the intercooler stuff. Let's see here. I purchased a couple other odds and ends for the oil system for the turbo and things like that. And so let's go ahead and take a look at everything real quick. So sitting over here, we got our turbo. I've been messing around with the oil system. I just got a couple of parts in the mail today. They're sitting around here somewhere, I think on top of there. Let's go look. So here's the intercooler. I got the intercooler. Sitting over in that box over there is all the intercooler piping. And I have all the reducers that I need. And I have one thing in the mail to reduce this down to, I think everything I'm running here is 2.5 inch, because coming off the turbo is 2 inches, and I don't want to, like, you know, just increase it out the butt, so I don't know. Anyways, I got these fittings for the oil system. These came in the mail. I also have the trans mount, and then obviously this intercooler. Let's take a look over here at the intercooler piping. Jeez, I got so many car parts. All right, so yeah, it comes with a whole bunch of like straights and 45s and 90s, a whole bunch of clamps underneath of here. There's also a whole bunch of little couplers and things, and there's another bag of couplers in there too. So everything that I need for the intercooler setup. Okay, I'm gonna open the garage real quick and we're gonna go take a look at the car. So I cleaned everything out the best that I could. I took out all of the insulation that's inside of the trans tunnel, and then I replaced it with some other stuff that's gonna reflect heat, and I think it's a Kilmat, K-I-L-M-A-T. I also did the differential. I drained the fluid and everything. I replaced the motor mounts right here. I pressure washed underneath of everything, and this is ready to accept an engine and transmission. So at this point now, the only thing that I'm waiting on is the gasket for the back end of the crankshaft, where it mates up to the transmission. I got the wrong one. I'm gonna show you right here. So this is the one that came off my car, and I guess this is from actually later model Mercedes, and this is from earlier models, and apparently for some reason I have this kind. Don't know why, maybe it's been replaced before, but this is the kind that I'm supposed to have, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know, but I had a hard time finding this one. I will have a part number in the description for this. So once that comes in the mail, I'm gonna be good to go to get this back together and put it in the car. And then after I get it in the car, I can start mocking up the exhaust system. After that, I can do the intercooler system, and then I can start doing the ECU and doing all the rewiring and such. So it's coming together. So I own everything, and we're gonna see how this plays out. I'm excited. So in the next couple of days, I'm gonna be showing some more exciting stuff, because I should have it in the car probably in 2 days, I think. 2 days I should have it in the car. And then I will upload a video to you guys, because I'll be pretty excited. So stay tuned for that. And if you guys want to say something down below. Subscribe if you like me. Come on, why not? You know what I mean? If you're not subscribed, just subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time.